Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am back to teach you another line dance. It is called Triple Takeover. I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction, but before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. You want to dance along to the music? Watch till the end, and let's get it. So this is a four-wall dance that we move counterclockwise. And it starts when the beat drops. It's a 32 count to start the dance, okay? So we start at this wall right here, and we're gonna end up at this wall. So we're gonna tap back, out, cross back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's moving back. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out 1, back 2, out 3, back 4, out 5, back 6, 7, and 8. And my weight is on my left. Then I'm going to step forward on my right. 1, pivot with a coaster kick, and. So I step forward, pivot to my left, quarter turn. 1, 2, back on my left. Coaster kick, out right, out left. So let's work on that. So we're going to step forward, step, pivot, quarter turn to the left, levels right. Then we're going to come back on the left with a coaster kick, out right, out left. And our left heel is up. So let's put that together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. I'll cross back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step pivot. 1, 2, left, 3, kick, 4, out, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that whole out right, out left is 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to lift on 8. Okay? So hold 5, 6, 7, lift 8. So lift on that left. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Out, cross back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Step pivot. 1, 2, close to 3, kick. 4, out, 5, 6, 7, lift 8. So we lifting on that left because we're going to do step, behind, step, rush, right, behind, step, stump. So we're going to do a bind to the left. So that left is up. We step, behind, step, rush, half turn with our right shoulder going forward. So now we at the back. We turn a half turn. Then we step right, behind, step, and stump on that left. So we lift on that left, and then we're going to stump on the left. Our left was up. Step, behind, step, rush on that right, then step on the right. Step right, behind, right, stump left. When we stump on that left, we're going to roll on the left, then roll on the right. And then our weight will wind up on the left. So we stump on that left, roll for 2, then roll for 2. So I'm going to say roll on the right because that's where your weight is. Roll on the right for 2. So I stump on my left and my weight is on my right. Roll on the right for 2. Roll on the left for 2. Okay? And my right heel is up. My weight is on the left. And then we move on to the next step. So let's do a review going to the top. Out, cross, back for 4. Moving back. Step, pivot, quarter turn to our left. Left coaster, kick, out right, out left, lift. Lift on that left. Then we do a grapevine, moving to our left. Step left, behind, step, rush with the right, half turn, then step right, behind, right, stump left. Then we roll on the right for 2. We roll on the left for 2. So when I say roll on the right, I'm not talking about the direction you're looking. I'm saying where the weight is, okay? So when you're counting, when it comes to line dancing, it's not where you're looking, it's where the footwork is, where your weight is. The weight is on the right, I'm looking to my left. And my weight is on my left, I'm looking to my right, okay? Let's do it. Let's put it together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can I give you a tip? Can I give y'all guys a tip? For your students, if you don't know how to count, when you're watching this video, count with me. The more you count, that's why I do the terminology and I do the count. So just don't listen to me, count with me. When you count with me, you're gonna learn how to count, okay? Before you know it, you're like, Linda, that's not the count. Let me do the count for you, okay? My students, they can do the count. They do the terminology and they can do the count better than I can, okay? Sometimes I get a little off and they like, nah, this is the count, teacher. So if you want to learn how to count, count with me, okay? Say the terminology with me, count with me. That's how you learn how to do it. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Out 5, 6, 7, lift 8. Bound 1, 2, 3, brush 4, 5, 6, 7, some 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? From here, we're gonna just hang out here. And we're gonna rock. Single, single, double, double. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. So we were moving the whole time. But now we're gonna stay right here and just hold it here, going to the right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. And that's where my weight is, okay? My heels are going up and down. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? From here, my weight is back on my left. I'm gonna do a kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So I'm gonna do one on the right, one on the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm gonna turn. 5, that's 6, 7, 8. That's how I turn. So I'm gonna kick again, but I'm gonna do a kickstand. So I kick, tap back, and a kickstand turn. Okay? Half turn. I'm at my new wall. I started here. My dance is moving counterclockwise. 4 wall dance. Moving counterclockwise. So let's do that again. So we rocked it out. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Then we're going kick, kick right, kick left, kick, turn back, kick, kick, tap, and turn. With your right shoulder coming back, half turn. That's a kickstand. Okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? And then it starts over. So let's put it all together. And the same thing at all walls. Okay? So don't think about it, oh, it's a different wall. It's still the same footwork. So don't think about the wall, think about the footwork. What's the footwork? You out cross back. Yes. 5, 6, 5, 6. Help me count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Out 5, 6, 7. Lift 8. Bind 1, 2, 3. Brush 4, 5, 6, 7. Some 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sing, sing, and double, double. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Start the dance over. That is triple takeover. Okay? It's a 32 count is your intro. So as soon as that beat drops, start counting. 32 counts. 4 counts of 8 and the dance starts over. And the dance starts, I'm sorry. When you count 4 counts of 8, the dance starts. Okay? That is triple takeover. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.